So you have said that there are 6 units operational right now. In the last 2 years of the first units being operational at the SEZ, do you think it's a little slow, or what more is needed to attract the investors' attention here?
Normally, most of the units, when they start coming to the SEZ, after that there is a period of 2 to 3 years actually in which they actually start working. So now it depends on what kind of commodity, what kind of activity they are doing. The trading units or the warehousing, once it is set up, then it's ready to go. But some of the manufacturing units take longer, but they are all within the time that has been stipulated in the guidelines.
How much of the land parcels that have been till now allocated to SEZ is being utilized and or underutilized right now, sir?
So as we said, 277 hectares is the total size. Out of that, there is a saleable part. 40% of the land is already given and 60% is still available.
So on these aspect only, by when can we expect it to go it beyond 50% in operational terms?
No, the operation part you're saying about a year from today. About a year from today.
And because the GNPT and this SEZ is planned to be a very, it has to have a very good infrastructure connectivity through all other projects that are in line. Just one question on the import. What kind of have you seen any ease off in the supply chain issues that the country has been witnessing through global channels, or any ease off in that, or have the container shortages still persisting right now? How is the cargo movement right now?
To my mind, it is much better. However, this is linked to the global phenomena. In between also, some of the European ports and American ports have been facing some of the issues. As far as JNPT is concerned, it is very much in control now, and we have regular interactions with the exporters. So while there have been some ups and downs, but it is much better than the kind of shortage that we faced some time back.
Okay. In any numeric value to that, sir? Okay. On the other hand, sir, we've just seen how the government has eased off some norms for either for exports or for import for several other industries, whether it's agriculture, MSMEs, or cement, or so many sectors. Has that impact now being seen through the containers or the cargo movement also? How is that
some time should go before we can evaluate this, and we would have some figures on that very soon. Yeah.
एक सवाल हिंदी में सर कि किस तरह के कितने इन्वेस्टमेंट की आप का अनुमान लगा के चल रहे हैं, और जो आपके अभी तक कितना इन्वेस्टमेंट आ चुका होगा यहाँ?
हमारे यहाँ पे जैसे अभी आपको बताया गया कि सिर्फ FTWZ में ऐसा अपेक्षित है कि 2,500 से 3,000 करोड़ का इन्वेस्टमेंट वहाँ होगा। जो एक शुरू में अनुमान लगाया गया था कि 4,000 करोड़, वो उससे कहीं ज़्यादा 8,000 से 10,000 करोड़ तक का इन्वेस्टमेंट इसमें होगा।
ऐसा कब हो सकता है कि जब मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द लैंड पार्सल जो है वो इस्तेमाल हो रहा हो? कोई टाइमलाइन देना चाहेंगे उसके लिए?
जैसे हमने आपको कहा, हमें अभी कोविड की वजह से 2 साल जो है उसमें कई तरह की बाधाएं थी, लेकिन अभी जो है मार्केट जिस तरह से खुला है, हमें अपेक्षा है कि इस साल में हमारा काफ़ी लैंड जो है वो इन्वेस्टर्स के यूज़ में आ जाएगा।